How to use the AOSEPT PLUS with HydraGlyde solution. Wash your hands and dry them with a clean towel. Remove your left lenses and place it in the open basket of the holder marked L. Carefully close the basket, making sure you don't catch the lenses in the cap. Repeat with your right lenses, placing it in the basket marked R. Thoroughly rinse each lens while it is in the holder for 5 seconds with the AOSEPT PLUS with HydraGlyde solution. Make sure unneutralized solution never gets in direct contact with the eye. Fill the lenses case up to the marked line with fresh one-step peroxide solution. Do not underfill or overfill the lens case. Put the contact lens holder in the case and close it. Do not move the case during the disinfection process. Leave lenses in the solution for at least 6 hours. A chemical reaction will take place during which the AOSEPT PLUS with HydraGlyde solution neutralizes into a saline solution. After closing the case, the solution will bubble, which means everything is going as it should be. In the morning or after at least 6 hours, it is safe to remove the lenses and put them in. Never rinse the lenses with the AOSEPT PLUS with HydraGlyde solution right before application. Always use the case that comes with a new solution and throw away the old one. AOSEPT PLUS with HydraGlyde solution was used in this video. AOSEPT PLUS with HydraGlyde is a peroxide solution designed for the cleaning and disinfection of all types of soft contact lenses. It contains the moisturising HydraGlyde component, which creates a layer of moisture around the lens and provides long-lasting comfort. The solution is preservative-free and is suitable for sensitive eyes.